everybody, welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't been posting. Today we have a little bit of what do you call it, a emergency I guess, but I will show you guys right now actually. So there's actually two things that happened, and both of them are fairly, emergency. One of them I'll show you right now. All right, open the car up, put it in here, like that. And yeah, pretty bad, huh? So the car doesn't start, it doesn't even have any power, so it's kind of sad. The battery died, I guess. I had it, it's sitting for about a day, and the battery died. So that's the one thing, the first thing. So we're gonna have to get that battery out of there, take it to AutoZone. Hopefully it's not fully dead, so they can charge it. If it's fully dead, it's gotta get a new battery. It sucks, but it is what it is. And I'll show you guys the second thing that's also fairly bad, I guess. I don't know the word for it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there is a crack in the windshield. Right there. It's pretty bad because if you let that grow, it'll start cracking all the way, and then eventually you're gonna have to get a new windshield. However, that's not that big of a deal as well. I got a kit to repair that, so we're gonna do that today as well, and hopefully it goes good. So we'll get the battery out, and I'll talk to you guys in a second. So this is getting the battery out. It's not that big of a deal. You guys know how to do it. Take it off, and you're done. All right, so we just dropped the battery off at O'Reilly's, and they did say that it was taking charge, which means that it's not completely dead and is able to be charged. So it's fingers crossed still, so we just left that there. They said it's maybe about an hour, so let's go home and check out if we can get this windshield fixed. So we're back home now. First thing you gotta do, wipe the area of this clean so there's no debris or anything like that. And make sure, apparently you're supposed to wipe, or you're supposed to spray onto the towel, and then wipe the towel on the glass, not wipe the thing off the glass, if that makes sense. Don't spray onto the glass. That's a little bullseye right there, by the way. The kit I was using, I got for like 15 bucks at O'Reilly's, or no, AutoZone, same thing, one of those two. Yeah, we'll see how this works. Okay, so first thing it tells you to do, take a push pen and kind of see if there's any more glass in here. And it doesn't look like it for me. We're all good to go. So they gave us a little alcohol thing, so we're gonna use that. Why not? Like that. Might be a little bit around the area, so it's nothing that can stick. Now this thing goes onto here, but you just gotta peel the thing back, apparently. So after that, you take the pedestal, peel this off, and you want to line this pedestal up like that with the thing. Take the resin, put it in, squeeze. Now we're gonna take the plunger, put it in, and then you want to pull it up and out. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but right there the epoxy is getting the air sucked out of it up there too, because we pulled the syringe up, and yeah, that makes the epoxy basically release air, or the whole syringe thing release air. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes now. What you have to do is take the plunger out. It will let air into the plunger, and then take it, put it back in there, and then basically compress the whole thing and let it sit there for 20 minutes. And what that does, it pushes the epoxy into the cracks that you have in your window. See there, I took it out, and you can see this is where it was before. Now it's right here, compressed down a little bit, 20 minutes. All right, so it's been approximately 20 minutes. So what you do is take the syringe out, take the flat edge razor they give you, and just cut it out, and yeah. All right, I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there is where it is right now. So what you do is you take the resin, puts a little bit of it on there, take the curing strip, put it on top, remove the air bubbles, let it sit for another 15 minutes. That's what it looks like right now. The surrounding area doesn't have any bubbles in it or anything like that, so only the edges. Doesn't really matter too much, so just right there. 15 minutes, we'll come back for it. All you gotta do is really take this thing off, like so. And then you gotta scrape off all that nasty epoxy. So I don't even know if you guys can see that anymore on the screen, but it's literally right in the center of the screen. Right there. And yeah, that's all that is now, but we'll see how hard I'll get that hold up. It's really not supposed to like take all the cosmetic stuff away, like the appearance. It's supposed to just fill the pit so it doesn't keep cracking. So well, hopefully that keeps going well. Guys, back in the car. Unfortunately, a little bit of bad news. I called them and they said that the battery came back as a bad battery. I waited 2 hours for it, so like, what the heck? Shouldn't they be able to tell me like right off the bat that it's not good and doesn't charge? But yeah, so we're gonna head over to O'Reilly to pick the battery up and then go to the other shop to get a used new battery. All right, we got the new battery now. Basically, just to get it in the car, start it up. Hopefully, it's a good battery though. Alright, battery's in now, and the first thing the thing did was start honking at me. I didn't get on camera, of course, I had to use both hands, but it started honking at me, it scared the crap out of me. So yeah, that means it's working though. Yay. Right now it has all the lights and sensors and all that on, like the traction, tire, brake pedal, all that stuff. You just gotta drive for a little bit and then it should go back to normal, I'm pretty sure. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but all the lights have now disappeared. I haven't gotten out on my street yet. The only lights on is the daytime fog lights, and if you guys already know, with my car that's always on because I just haven't changed the fog lights because my fog lights don't work anymore. So there's no point for me to do that. We are gonna give this little thing a wash since we have a car meet to do today. But yeah, that's it. We're gonna give it a little wash and hit the time, what do you call it, time stamp thingy? No, not time stamp, time lapse, go. Now for the fun part of drying it. I think that's the most important part of any car wash. You can just literally throw water on the car, but if you don't know how to dry it, or if you don't dry it, it's just leave water spots everywhere, especially on the glass. That's like the most important for me. So now the drying, I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. So see you guys when it's all done. All right, we're back home now, all clean and stuff. So yeah, here you go. All right guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. I'm actually editing it right now. But thank you guys for watching this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all that stuff. Sorry for the break, like I said before. Took a little tiny bit of a break. I wasn't feeling so well. You can probably hear in the video I was sniffling a little bit. Not COVID, we're good. But with that, I am pretty much back for my, every other day videos. Hopefully, that's usually what I'm trying to do right now, just every other day videos for you guys. I do have a couple of them that's gonna be in store and a couple ideas to video and share with you guys. So go ahead, like I said, hit that subscribe button. We're gonna be doing a lot of bangers coming out, bro. So again, thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a good rest of your day or morning or night, whatever it is. Peace.